Okay, so washing machines obviously come with different load capacities, 7 kilo, 8 kilo, 9 kilo. And a lot of people say, well, what is that? How do I quantify that? But I can tell you what most manufacturers recommend as a full load will be that you load the drum loosely until such time as you could just about pass your hand between the clothes and reach through to the drum. So it's not really anything to do with weight, because different fabrics will have different sort of densities. So I'll just get this in, okay, and I can put my hand across below the door rubber and I can just reach the back of the drum. So that would be a full load. So capacity wise, it looks full, it is full, but that's what you're looking for. About 2/3 of the way up the door rubber.